What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're going to give you a quick start guide on how to polish your vehicle using a dual action polisher. So if you just picked up your first dual action polisher or you're going to be using one for the first time, we're going to give you a quick start guide on how to do paint correction using a dual action polisher. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Now, this is going to be a quick start guide that's going to show you how to get started. If you want to learn more about pad selection, machine selection, or choosing the correct polish for your vehicle, go ahead and check out our other videos that we have on our YouTube channel to learn how to pick the right product to get your job done. Now right here, we have a car that's in the shop. This is a black Corvette C8, and we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to polish using the dual action polisher. Now we have our Rupes Bigfoot Duetto right here. This is a basic dual action polisher, really easy to use, but this tutorial is gonna work with any dual action polisher that you guys have at home. Now the first thing you wanna do is prep your dual action polisher and assess your paint work. Now this car is pretty new, just came to us from the dealership, and we're gonna choose the right polish to start this vehicle. Now, first step is selecting your polish. If you have a vehicle that's much older and has heavy paint damage, you're gonna wanna start with our Extreme Cutting Compound. This is a heavy duty compound for removing heavy defects, swirls, and oxidation. If your car has moderate defects and moderate swirls, you're gonna wanna choose the Swirl Remover polish. This is gonna remove the swirls on moderately damaged paint. For this vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and use our Clarity Final Polish. This is a light duty polish for correcting light swirls or light marring on the paint, just like this one. This is great for black paint. Now, after you have your polish selected, you're gonna wanna take your machine and select your pad. We're gonna be using a basic soft white pad. There's many different pads on the market, everything from heavy cutting all the way down to finishing. This is right in the middle. This is a medium soft pad, and this is gonna polish the paint and restore it. So let's get started with the polishing. First thing you wanna do is take your polish, shake it up, open it up, and you're gonna wanna place 5 dots on your pad. Now these are small dots, about the size of a pea, and that's gonna get us started with the polishing. Now also, you're gonna wanna take some detail spray. We're gonna use our detail spray, or you can use clay lube for this, and we're just gonna give 1 mist to the pad. There we go, just 1 mist. Now let's get started with dual action polishing. Quick tip from the pro, always take your cable or your cord and put it around your shoulders so it's not hitting the car and it's out of the way. Now we're gonna take our machine and put it on speed setting 1. This is a 6 setting machine, but we're gonna start it on speed setting 1. Now let's come in and show you guys how we're gonna set up the pad polishing. Now we're gonna take our machine and we are going to place it all over the vehicle to start spreading out the polish. When you polish a vehicle, you don't wanna polish too much of a surface area. You only wanna go on a small area. We're only gonna work this small area right here. Now I'm gonna take my machine on, speed setting 1, and I'm just gonna spread out the polish. There we go. Now that I have my polish spread out, I'm gonna go ahead and start the process by taking my machine and turning it up to speed setting 5 or 6. I'm gonna go to speed setting 6. We're gonna place the machine down on the surface and we're gonna turn the machine on. Do not turn the machine on while the machine is off of the vehicle. It can cause damage to the machine. So we're gonna put the machine down on the surface. We're gonna place our left hand or our right hand, whatever's comfortable with you. I like to hold the base of the polisher with my right and take my left and put it on the top. And we're gonna put about 5 to 7 pounds of pressure on the machine. And then we're gonna turn on the machine and we're gonna go overlapping pattern, vertical, and then we're gonna change to a horizontal pattern to move along the surface. It doesn't matter what you start, if you go left to right or up and down first, but we're gonna go on a hatch crisscrossing motion, 50-50 overlap, so we overlap our previous pattern until the polish turns clear. After the polish turns clear, we're gonna release the pressure from the machine to about 2 to 3 pounds on the machine and let it hide buff. So we'll come in close, guys, and let's do the process. 5 to 7 pounds, machine turn on. Now I've gone ahead and turned off my machine. As you can see, I turned the machine off on the vehicle before I remove the machine. That prevents any damage from the machine from free spinning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just take my machine, I'm gonna set it down, and I'm gonna grab a microfiber towel, and as you can see, the polish is very clear and there's minimal polish on the vehicle. So now I'm gonna take a microfiber towel and just gently wipe away any excess polish that's on the paint. And I'm going to inspect the paint. We have clarity and we have a great shine on the paint and it looks fantastic. Plus we did not have any dust or any extra polish that was on the vehicle giving us a hard time to do this job. Now that's exactly how you polish a vehicle with a dual action polisher, just like a pro. Just remember, follow these steps and you're never gonna have any problems polishing any type of car, truck, motorcycle, RV, or boat. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you wanna pick up high quality, professional grade polishes, like our Masterson's paint correction line, including our extreme cutting compound, our swirl remover polish, and our clarity final polish, just head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and you can get everything you need to get the job done and your car looking great. Now, I'm Greg from Mastersons. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.